Hi everyone, welcome to Flash Animation tutorial. Today we are going to make this project and we will practice the rotation of the one movie clip from the properties, and we will learn how to rotate an object. I would like to show you this project and you can understand better. This is the movie clip that's turning around and we control this the rotation from here. As you see, this is a detector, the object detector, you know, from the movies, that when an object coming to you, this is the where you are, and this is the your area. Let's say when an object is closing to you, you see that the light is coming to you, and you can control the area's safety using this one. But as you see, there is nothing around us, so we are in a safe place. Alright, I'm going to start a project. File, new, action script 3 as usual, and I'm going to use the first layer, the circle. First one is the circle. Alright, and I'm going to draw the circle here. You can hold down the Alt and Shift together. Alright, it's ready. By the way, if you want to change the background color, you can select this, click on the stage, and then the stage will appear here, and you can set one color. And after that, I'm going to get a new layer because I will have two different objects inside the animation. For that thing, better you draw your the objects in different layers. For that reason, we're gonna need the second layer. I'm going to write the layer name as a let me write there, stick. Okay. And after that, I'm going to grab this circle and then select the color red, and I'm going to draw it from here. If you are not satisfied with the size of this one, you can select this free transform, okay, and then you can resize this. And with the selection tool, you can click double and you can give different effects, just like this one, and then go back to scene. And after that, I'm going to rotate this stick. I want this action to be done between these 1 and the 20 frames. Okay, I'm going to insert a keyframe and right click there, apply a classic twin. Okay, so here we go. We did this part, but as you see, the circle is disappeared after the first frame because it doesn't exist in the rest of the frames. As you see, the circle, you can select the last frame and press F6 and it's going to place it all of the frames. Okay, and now I'm going to go to stick one. I will give him a rotation attitude. From the settings, you can go to rotation and select the clockwise or contrary clockwise. It's up to you. When you press enter, as you see, it's turning around, but it's turning around this center, but I want to set the center here, and I want him to rotate around this point. So I'm going to select this one, free transform, so that I can see the center, and I'm going to place it to the most left. And I have to do this for the last frame and for the first frame. I mean for the keyframes. And after that, the center will be settled to here and the object will rotate around this point. So with Control Enter you can play it. You can also decrease the speed of this by decreasing the frame per second, or you can write there manually, let's say 12, and the action will be done in 1.6 seconds. Okay guys, we have finished our tutorial here. Thanks for watching. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.